Hey everyone, this is Kyle Setzer with Fleet Hoster, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the LytxOne. What is the LytxOne? It's an all-in-one video telematics solution, right? GPS, live tracking, you name it, everything. So right out of the gate, you're going to see the gateway, right? So you're going to have your power, USB, camera, iOX modules here. USB for those aux cams. You can double stack up to 8 aux cams, plus your driver and road, giving you 10 total lens. Umbrella CV chipset, Telet modem, USA made and backed. You got an 18,000 milliamp battery, so no more drivers, hey, go to your vehicle, turn your ignition on. You can simply go to the platform, hit remote wake up, and go get those video recordings that you need. Let's move on to the camera, right? All of your AI features, your ADAS, your DMS, 1080p, dual camera. If you don't want a dual camera, that's okay. You can simply rotate it in, just like so, and lock it, right? So now becoming a road-only camera, small form factor, super lightweight in case you had any accidents or windshield replacements, easy to replace, built by one, driven by one. This is the LytxOne. Email us at sales@fleethoster.com. We'd love to take care of you. Thank you.